before I dead 'em. I got rolls and big nuts in the denim. They don't know that I'm locked in with the felons.
All right, y'all see what's about to happen, man. It's time to play the game, man. We ain't wasting no time with this video. Y'all see these new exhaust tips that I got. These shits are massive. These are 12-inch tips, man. There's a reason I'm about to put these on my car. If you know, you know. But yeah, we'll find out hopefully sooner rather than later. But yeah, we about to take the old 5-inch tips off and we about to put these. They are 5-inch, like the circumference. It's just the length is 12 inches and then the inlet is 3 inches like normal. So I figured I'd just pick up the camera and show y'all how that's done. So yeah, first thing you're gonna need a 13 mil. You're gonna need like a power drill, whatever it's called. I don't even really know what it's called. And then I finally remember why I needed my mallet. So yeah, if y'all see the last video, I bought a mallet, didn't realize why I needed it, but this is why I needed it. So, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all this process. All right, I'm gonna keep these because I mean, these are still good. I'm gonna probably clean them up and everything. But the first thing you wanna do is you wanna go up under there. Hold on, I don't know if y'all can even see, but y'all see that little, you see this right here? This is the bolt you want to unloosen, and then once you unloosen it, the tip will just come right off pretty much, or you got to kind of like wiggle it out and then it'll come right out. But I'm gonna show you that real quick. Okay, so for whatever reason I grabbed the wrong sizing for that because that won't fit on there, so I just grabbed a socket wrench and then just took it off. But this is what it looks like once you finally take the tip off. This is the old tip, as you can see. And then pretty much what's gonna happen is you grab the new one and then you just pretty much line this inlet up with those little, like it needs to go in between this one and then this little ring here, this bracket, not the bracket, but the clamp. So that pretty much keeps it in place, keeps it tight, keeps it from falling off, obviously, while you're driving. So, but yeah. All right, y'all, that is one tip on. I already tightened it. You can clearly see that it sticks out past the fins. It does look a little ridiculous, I'm not gonna lie, but it is what it is, man. But yeah, we're gonna get the next one off and that's pretty much it. All right, y'all, so I finally got both of them on. That side gave me a lot of issues, so I had to like pry the clamp open just to kind of like open it up some more. But yeah, these are absolutely insane. But it's definitely necessary for what I'm about to do. So, but it actually don't look that bad. It looked pretty good like that, just a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all up later when it get darker. I want to test something out. I want to see if the flames are, well, they wouldn't get longer obviously, but I want to see if it changes the shape of the flames a little bit. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, my bad, it's the next day, man. I lied. So these tips, they gotta come off. I'm be honest with you, like they look okay, but it's not really my taste. These are too excessive. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the AutoZone. I'm gonna get the extension connectors, put those on there, and then put my old ones back on. Right now I'm in the process of restoring the old ones because I saw earlier in the video where like they were kind of dingy and kind of like worn down. So, but yeah. And the other reason why I'm taking these off is because you can already see that these are starting to they're supposed to be black, but they are like purplish, greenish. Like, I don't know. This is not a long-term solution, because what's going to end up happening over time is these are clearly going to fade, and that's going to piss me off, because it's not going to match any of the color theme I got going on. So, and they're going to be hard as hell to restore. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the old ones back on, but it's still going to have like that extended kind of effect. So, I'm not going to bore y'all with that part. It's pretty much going to be me taking these off, putting the new ones on with the connectors, and I'll show y'all that once I get up under the car, and I'll show y'all the final product. So, y'all stay tuned. Oh yeah, also, these tips burned my diffuser. Like, they was sitting too close to this little seam right here on the diffuser, and it ended up melting. It's hardly noticeable, but it started smoking, and I was like, oh. So, yeah, and then y'all can clearly see like the residue of where it was like burned and everything, and that looked tacky to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap them out. So, yeah. All right, y'all, here are the, hold on, damn. Here are the old tips. Hold on. Pretty much just spray painted them. It is dry. It ain't perfect, but I mean, it's better than what it was before. So, yeah, all this extra, I'll just burn off or whatever, but yeah. Okay, y'all, we are back. As you can see, we got the old tips back on there. They are restored. It's a little hard to see, but yeah. Extended those little, put those little extension pieces on there. I don't know if y'all can see up under there, but my bad, y'all, if y'all can't see. But yeah, pretty much just went to AutoZone and grabbed 3x3 inch pipes. The clamps that came with those other tips, I just used those to clamp, like connect that piece with the old tips. But yeah, I mean, they stick out further, obviously, but they're not as far as those other ones. Still got that like aggressive kind of like look just to it, to a little bit, just a little bit. I still think it'll look a little silly, but I mean, it'll get the job done. But yeah, my main reason to doing that will play a part later, so please stay tuned. I still kind of haven't decided whether or not I really want to do it, but at this point, with all the work I done did, I might as well go ahead and do it. But for now, we're gonna see what the flames look like with the tips as they are right now. So give me a second. Okay, so yeah, y'all can see the flames look a little bit more controlled, if that makes sense. Like, they look more narrower, I guess. I don't know if that makes sense, but they're more, I guess they cover more of like that first initial plume just a little bit, which is cool. I mean, they still look good. They do look a little longer, I'm not gonna lie, but that could just be the tips making it seem like that. But it definitely makes them more bluish, because I guess the end of the flame is probably obviously like the hottest. I don't even know if that makes sense. I'm just talking right now, it's late, but yeah, man, it looks good. I like it. It's only gonna get better, but yeah, we're still smoking a little bit. But yeah, that's gonna pretty much be the end of this video, y'all. Started off with me putting those other tips on, and then I decided, I'm like, you know what, nah, we just gonna restore the old ones and then put those on. And then it's like, yes, these stick out far, but like it's not like they were super excessive like the other ones. These are about the same size-ish, but I don't know. I don't have to worry about these turning colors and purple and green and all the other stuff, which may look cool to some people, but it's like I like to keep my car like clean in the more simple way. Like I like the tips being black, they're gonna stay black. So, but yeah, man, as always, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. As always, this has been your boy, King Zeus. I'm signing out. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. Love y'all. Peace.
Going places like I'm torn. Count my records in the morning. Yeah, you know we really going. They can't do nothing about it. Buy my grain is like a salad. Yeah, I travel the